Let me be real with you. If you're a student who is tired of being broke, tired of stressing over every little expense, and sick of feeling stuck, then you need to hear this. There are real ways to make money even while you're still in school. And no, I'm not talking about getting a boring job that pays you minimum wage and drains your energy. I'm talking about online side hustles, things you can start on your own without tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital, things that can actually grow and even make millions, things that can pay you more than any part-time job ever could. In 2025, you've got options that didn't exist a few decades ago. You've got tools that do half of the work for you nowadays. And the best part is, you don't need a lot of money to get started. You don't need a business degree or some secret connections. I had none of those things. You just need a bit of time, a little focus, consistency on one thing only, and the guts to try. So here's what I'm gonna do. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 side hustles that are perfect for students. Now, I personally went from only having about $400 in my bank account to making thousands of dollars per day in profit with my online business. So that's exactly why I'm making this video today, to show you that you don't have to follow the regular 9-to-5 path if deep down you know that this path isn't for you and that there's more to life. Let's start with the first side hustle, high-ticket coaching. Now, I know it sounds like something that's super fancy, but let me break it down. It's simpler than you think. Coaching just means helping someone get better at something. High ticket means you charge a higher price for it. So let's say you're really good at something, like helping people get better at the SATs, or you know how to get a six-pack abs, or you figured out how to grow a TikTok account, you've gotten into a relationship, you've overcome an addiction, then you can teach others how to do it too. It doesn't matter if you're young or not famous. What matters is that you've done it and can explain it clearly. You can get on a Zoom call with someone, show them what you know, help them get results, and charge them for it. You can use Calendly to let people book sessions with you, and Stripe or PayPal to collect the money. That's it. Only 3 tools, Zoom, Calendly, and Stripe. It's that simple. If you help someone to improve their SAT score, or grow their following or lose weight, they will pay you for that help. And you're not just charging $10 an hour, even $100 an hour. We want to charge between $1,000 to $10,000 and even more, depending on what you're selling and who you sell it to. Because people don't pay for your time. They pay for results. If you give them something valuable, they'll pay good money for it. That's what coaching is. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less, using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots feed up extremely fast, and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now let's move on to the second one, high-ticket drop servicing. Now again, this might sound like something big and complicated, but it's actually super simple. Imagine this. Someone needs a website, a logo, or a video edited. You find that person and say, hey, I can get that done for you. And they pay you. And then, instead of doing the work yourself, let's say you don't have the experience to do it, you can go to a freelancer on Facebook, Fiverr, or Upwork and pay them to do the work, and you keep the extra money. So maybe the client pays you $2,000 and you pay the freelancer $500. It's a win-win because the freelancer got a new client without having to look for them. And that means for you, you made $1,500 without doing the actual work. You're just like the middle person. Your job is to get a client, understand what they need, and make sure the job is done by the freelancer. The freelancer takes care of the rest. I know people who make multiple 7 figures a year with this. You don't need to know how to be on websites or edit videos. You just need to be able to talk to people and manage the process. Now, this works great if you're good at communicating and organizing. It also means you can make good money without having to learn a bunch of technical stuff. And because it's high ticket, you're not making $5 here and there. You're making real money per client. Now, let's talk about number 3, high-ticket online courses. This is perfect for students who know a lot about one specific thing and want to teach it. But instead of doing live calls or coaching sessions, you just record everything once and you sell it over and over again. Let's say you know how to use AI tools, or how to study smarter, or how to create cool social media posts. You can turn that knowledge into a course. A course is just a bunch of videos or written lessons that teach someone how to do something step by step. You can use tools like ChatGPT to help you plan the lessons and even write the scripts. You don't need to be a professional teacher. Just imagine explaining the thing to a friend, and that's basically your course. Then you upload it to a platform like Scroll, Kajabi, Gumroad, or System.io. These websites also let you take payments, give people access to your course, and organize everything nicely. The amazing part is that you only have to create the course once at first. After that, you can sell it for years to come, and people can keep buying it while you sleep, while you go to classes, while you're out living your life, while you're on vacation. And if you teach something valuable, people will pay a lot for it. Same as with the two previous side hustles, you're not selling cheap stuff, you're selling something useful and valuable. Now let's move on to number 4, TikTok and UGC and affiliate marketing. Now I know that sounds like a big mix of confusing stuff, but stay with me. TikTok is the app you already scroll on every day. UGC means user-generated content, which is just a fancy way of saying brands want regular people like you to make videos that talk about their products. For this, you don't have to be famous. You just need to make fun or helpful videos that feel natural. So you make a short TikTok where you talk about a product you like. It could be something from Amazon, it could be a study app, it could be anything people might want. In your bio or in the video caption, you put a link. When someone clicks the link and buys the product, you get paid a small amount. That's what we call affiliate marketing. You're not selling your own product, you're just showing people something cool and getting a reward if they buy it. You can start doing this with $0. You just need your phone, decent lighting, and a bit of creativity. Post consistently. Keep the videos short and fun, and the clicks will come. You don't need to get millions of views for that. You just need a few good videos that hit the right audience to make real money. Now we're on number 5. Local lead generation with AI tools. This one is super powerful and barely anyone your age is doing it, which makes it a gold mine. Here's how it works. Local businesses like plumbers, roofers, tutors, or even dog walkers, they all need leads. That means new people calling them, emailing them, or asking about their services. So what you do is build a small website that helps people find that business. For example, someone searches for a plumber in their city and your little website shows up. That person clicks, fills out a form, or makes a call, and boom, that's what we call a lead. Then you go to the plumber and say, hey, I've got leads for you. Would you like them? And they'll pay you for it. Sometimes $2,000 a month for these kinds of services, sometimes more, like $5,000 and even more. I have clients who sell lead generation services for $10,000 per month per client. The amazing thing is that AI tools can help you write all the content for the website, build it, and even help you reach out to the businesses. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just follow the steps, set it up once, and let it run. Once the site is working and bringing in leads, you can just sit back and get paid every month. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Number 6 is print on demand with a niche angle. This one's perfect if you like funny designs, trends, or memes. Print on demand means you create a design and put it on things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or stickers. But you don't need to keep any inventory. You don't have to ship anything because the company does all of that for you. You just create the design and list it online. When somebody buys, the print on demand company prints it and ships it and you get paid. You can use platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or your own Shopify store with Printify. But here's the key. Don't try to make stuff for everyone. You want to pick a niche. That means a small group of people who are really into something, like students who love anime, or gamers, or cat owners, or engineering majors. When you make a shirt or mug that speaks directly to one group, it sounds better. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you come up with funny phrases, or Midjourney to create cool artwork. You don't need to be a pro designer. Just have fun with it. And when one design hits, it can sell over and over again. Last one, number 7, digital product flipping. This is like finding a hidden treasure and making it better. There are tons of digital products out there. Things like planners, templates, worksheets, ebook, courses, etc. Some of them are super cheap or even free. And some of them come with a license that say you're allowed to resell them. So what you do is take one of these products and make it better. Maybe it's a general planner and you turn it into a college student planner for study and budgeting. Or maybe it's a basic workout guide and you turn it into a no equipment dorm room workout plan. You make it more specific, more helpful, or just better looking. Then you list it on a site like Gumroad or Etsy and you sell it. You can even sell it on your own store and run ads to it. You're not printing anything, you're not shipping anything. It's all digital. Someone buys it, they download it, and you get paid. You can even bundle a few things together, like a planner plus a to-do list plus a calendar, and sell it as a full student productivity pack. The amazing part is, you can buy a product for $5, fix it up, and sell it for $20 or more. And once it's up and selling, it can keep making you money without you lifting a finger. So that's it. 7 side hustles you can start as a student in 2025. All of them are simple. All of them can be done with almost no money. And every single one of them has real potential to grow. So don't get overwhelmed. Just pick one. Don't try 10 at the same time. Pick one, stick with it, and give it at least 30 days. And remember, you don't need to do everything perfect, but you do need to get started. Most people never even try, to be honest with you. But if you do, you're already ahead of 99% of people. Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, then click the link in the description below. I've made a video where I'm explaining how I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit with my business working from home. And right now, I'm also doing free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the same method I'm using. But be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon, we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description below, watch the video, book your free call, and with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.